In a quaint, forgotten corner of the world, there once existed a small village. Among its humble populace lived a young girl, an enigma of sorts. Her name was Amira. As unique as her name, so was her ability. She possessed a remarkable gift, a bridge between the human world and the natural world. She could converse with plants. While others viewed it as an oddity, a harmless eccentricity, it was so much more than that. Amira's gift was a conduit, a lifeline that connected the villagers to the wisdom of nature. A time came when the village faced a severe crisis. The rains had abandoned them, and a ruthless drought had taken hold. The once verdant fields and gardens were now lifeless, a stark reminder of the desperate situation. The villagers tried to find water, but their efforts were in vain. In their hour of despair, they turned to Amira, their only beacon of hope. With an air of quiet determination, Amira traversed the parched landscape, lending an ear to the whispers of the withering plants. Their voices, though faint, spoke of a secret, an ancient underground spring long forgotten by the villagers, yet brimming with life-giving water. Led by the plant's guidance, Amira directed the villagers to an unassuming spot. They dug deep into the parched earth and, to their astonishment, found fresh, clear water. The village was saved and the parched land sprung back to life, all thanks to the wisdom of plants and the unique gift of a young girl. The villagers had learned an invaluable lesson, a lesson of respect and understanding for nature. They realized that the wisdom of nature could sustain life even in the most challenging circumstances. They learned that every voice, no matter how seemingly insignificant or different, deserves to be heard. In conclusion, the story of Amira and her unique gift serves as a reminder of the importance of respecting and listening to nature. It underlines the truth that in unity with nature lies the secret to our survival. So, next time you pass a tree or a flower, remember Amira and listen, for it might have a story to tell.